Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can connect Wix with Amazon, so let's get right into it. Now, what you're going to do in your Wix editor to connect the two apps is to go over into Add Apps, and then you'll open up the Ad Market. From here, you're going to get this screen where you're going to go into Search Apps and just enter Amazon, like so. And once you do that, as you can see, you will get the free to install Amazon app. Just click on that and then click add to site. As you can see, again, it is a free install. You'll need to log into Amazon, I am pretty sure, to authorize everything. And as you can see, now it is adding Amazon. And as you can see, it has been added right over here, and you can place this bar wherever you want. Now, you can also go into the options and set up which products you want to showcase on your site. You can go here, click on settings, and as you can see, you have the main ones. You can add items if you want. You can change the settings of this if you would like. You can change the items per row. You can change the thumbnail resize, or the thumbnail size. You can crop it or fit it. You can change the price with Prime if you want to or not, and you can select the button language. You can also change the design, the background color for the info, which can be either completely transparent or it can be opaque if you want to as well. You can select the item name, the price, and this is just the font and the size. For example, let me change the font to this and change the site to be a bit smaller, like so, to fit your site however you want it. The price as well, you can change the font and the size of that, and you can select the prime color, which I'll set to black over here to best fit it. You can change the button as well. You can change the font size and font, the font color as well, and the background color and opacity if you want to. Now, currently that's not changing anything for me. I don't know why, but it is what it is. And you also have support if you need help with anything else. And that's pretty much how you connect the two services. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.